So guys, today we are discussing about the array of data structure. What is array? At first, what is array? An array is a data structure that contains a group of elements. Typically, these elements are all of the same data type, such as an integer or string. Array are commonly used in computer programming to organize data so that a relate set of value can be easily stored in a searched. So what they said, array is in simplified form. Array is type of data list where the same type of data are listed. For example, you can assume that you have some photos, you have some contact or many other things in your phone. So you're in your contact, save all of your phone numbers. So what happened, it is look like a array in the contact or your phone contact application. All of the phone contacts are contained in the photo store, your phone photo. All of the photos are stored in the photo. It says that the photo is an array. The photo store is an array where the same type of element, which is the all of the pictures is same type of elements are gathered together. So see that the arrays look like that. It is a array, it's look like. And we are discussing about here the two types of array, which is first one is the 1D array and second one 2D array, and then third one is multi-dimensional array. We are discussing about all of things. Multi dimensional array means we are taking here 1D 2D array, and we can here take 3D 4D and 5D arrays and so on, etc. For that here said that the multi-dimensional array. So we are discussing here at first about the array how the array look like. So you can see that the arrays look like that. At first, for your better conception, I want to at first say about 1D array. So you can see here the 1D array. You can see here the this type of things. There are type of data 5, 6, 8, 10, 13, 14 and 15. This is a type of data which is number, and if I enter here in the sixth place, if I enter in the sixth place, if I write any A, B or C, it's not correct. Because we said that the definition of array is it is the homogeneous type of, it stores the homogeneous type of data in a series or in a position. So in the 5, 6, 7 and ABCD is not the homogeneous, so it is the wrong for array. It's not the 1D 2D, it's the all of the array is wrong when you are put the 5 and then A then B C, it's the wrong array. So see here the 5, 6, 7, 8, 14 and 15, it is arrays look like that. And here you can see that the index number, this is the 5 is the element of the array, 6 is the element of the array, 8 is the element of the array and so on. All of things in the box is called as array. You can see that here all of the things it is array, which is seen that all of the things 5, 6, 8, 10, 13, 14, 15, it's all of the array element. And here the box is a indexing number, that is the index number, you can say here, that's the index number, sorry. So that's the index numbers. Here see, you can see that it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here it is the observed that here the element was start from the 0 1 2. So the all of the elements in array or stack queue, we are discussing in another video in stack queue. So in the array position, the array of the list element always starts from the 0 1 2 3 4 and always start from 0. And we are starting from 0 element. This 5 is the 0 element, first element is 6 8, and this is the, you can see that the int, that is the syntax of the 1D array. That is the syntax, you can see here, that is the syntax of 1D array, which is int open parenthesis close parenthesis add is equal to here I am written the 5 6 8 10 4 15. It is the similar with this element. You can see this this element, this full array we are written here, the full array 5 6 8 10, and it is the 5 6 8 10 15. It is the 1D array and it is the exact syntax of this array is this. And now we are discussing about the 2D array. We are discussing about 2D array. You can see there this is the 2D array. So here you can see that that is the full of things in a box. I'll explain it for this. You can see here that is the 1 2 and 3. It means that 0 1 2. It has a four column and 4 rows. So first row is the index number. You can see that here it is the index number, 0 1 2, and here the 0 1 2 in row, and the first element in the rows I, and then the element. What is the element here? Here in the previous 1D array I discussing about what is element. 5 is the element, 6 is the element, and here the A is the element, B is the element, and C is the element. So we are taking a type of element. This is the A, B, B, and C, C, C. If I change here, with a, if I change this A, if I change this A with a numerical value which is 1 2 3 4 and any other numbers, the array is wrong. Now this the array is wrong when you are putting the same type of value, when you are putting the another type of mixing type of value. So if we are putting the same type of value, so that's the right thing of array of data structure. So here you can see that the explain that the array element, it's all of the array element. This is the array element, this is the array element, and this is also the array element, which is the symbolize. You can see here this is the column 0 1 2. Here starts from in the similar, at the similar 1D array. In 2D array it's the similar of 0 1 2, and here it is the row. In the row that's the 0 1 2. So all of the things are quite similar. And the then we are said about the multi-dimensional array, in the multi-dimensional array we are discussing about the 3D array. You can see here that is the code of 3D array. So I'll explain this. In 3D array, at first I want to see that you see the Java code, you see the Java code of 3D array. It is look like, and at first we declare a class of gfg and public static void main and static args, it is a declaration. And then we are seeing that we are taking of three element. We are taking the three position of element. You can see here it is the three type of element, and here we are taking the input, which is the three type of element. Here 10, 20 and 30 I am taking, and it is the three because why that is the three array says that we are taking here the 10, 20 and 30 three value, so that we have said that the 3D array. So you can see here the and the similar array declare that here I am declared that the array 0, 0 and 0 as the 3D array and is equal to 1. Then system.out.println, it is the in C language we are written the only print or println, and in Java we are written that system.out.println. In the next video I made an introduction video or beginners of Java. If you cannot know anything about Java, I made a full of things of Java from beginners. You can see my next video. So here you can see that the system.out.println array arr 000 is equal to it's the in the code, and plus arr plus 000, and then is the declaration is open, and it is the end parenthesis, and this end parenthesis, it is the parenthesis, it is the full of code inside this open and close parenthesis. The full of you can see this full of code is in a parenthesis, and this the open parenthesis, which is code is closed in which code is the full code which is under this. And you can see here I think the conception of array is clear of you. I made some things about array in my next videos, because the array is not very small things to discussion. So I clear your concept in another video, because this is the long video. I know that you can see. So if this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and see my next video for Java beginners level. I introduce yourself with Java. It's the very easy language. You can code with Java. All of the it's the very important language. Okay, anyway, please like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.